No, thank you.
No, thank you. No, thank you. No.
Can we talk for a second about these street vendor people in Cabo? Um, they are worse than Nassau.
Yes, very much so. Excuse me. At least in Nassau, they're kind of contained. Here, no matter where you go, they just follow you.
Like roaches.
Like roaches, like cockroaches.
I mean, coming from everywhere, and they hear you say no thank you to one. I guess they think they don't. You're gonna say okay to them. I don't.
Yeah. And then they want to tell you how much it costs, as if that's going to make a difference with you saying no.
She said my magnets are 2 for $5, almost free. Like, then you just see me tell the other little boy no to magnets.
And then they have, okay, so they have these lizards, the iguanas that they want to just like put on your shoulder. They just want to put them on your shoulder, and then you pay them to take the iguana off of your shoulder and take pictures. Mm-hmm.
Iguanas, bracelets, magnets.
Yes.
Not to mention the people trying to get you to go.
Keychains.
The cab rides.
Thank you. You're welcome.
The cab rides.
Cab rides, boat rides, glass bottom boats.
Now, why are they over there on the donkey? I don't even know if you can see that.
Oh, they are. Taking a picture.
Anyway, but yeah, it's too much. I don't even want to walk back. Like, how many times can you say no thank you? And then, like the dude that just came up, no thank you about 4 times before he walked off. What is that about?
I think one of the biggest things is, like this is the way that they live, and how they make their money. So,
but don't hound me, especially. Okay.
It's not just you. You're hounding everybody. And they just had the tropical storm came through here, so I don't know. Maybe they're trying to get money to fix their house.
When I say no, that means no. Walk off.
I agree.
It's like they took a seminar or something on how to hound people when they come in port.
It's like telemarketers.
It's ridiculous.
It's like physical telemarketers. Like when you're on the phone and you tell the telemarketer like, oh, no, thank you. Remove me from your list, and they just keep on telling you about their great offer. It's the same thing. They want you to buy their wares.
It's bad. It's bad here. People, it's bad. Be grateful for Nassau and what they do over there and anywhere else.
Yeah. It's kind of like when you're walking through a straw market. Because when you're walking through a straw market, literally everybody is just coming at you. And they're all selling the same thing. It's just the prices fluctuate, and you can always make deals and stuff like that. But
I mean, I'm trying to get out, enjoy this, see this, and all that. Can't even really see. We wanted to film. Can't even film. I'm shocked nobody's walked up now. There's some of them are over there.
Yeah.
And we're over to the side. We're off to the side, but way all the way in there, it is bad. Oh.
Yeah. You'll see a bunch of them.
All right.
Yeah.
We'll figure something out. I don't know. Maybe we need to learn Spanish or something.
You just keep saying no.
No, I just walk off. But the thing is, I don't like to be rude to them either.
Yeah.
But to people in general. But then you got to be rude and just not even listen to them, not even acknowledge them.
Well, I think one of the craziest things is that when, like, I say no, thank you, and then they come to you as if you gonna say yes, or they come to you and then they come to me, and I'm like, no, thank you. Like, he already said no. Like, I'm not gonna go against what he says. He said no.
No, we don't even have space for your magnet nowhere. Not no.
And then for them to like walk with you, until
like
you just start ignoring them. Yeah, it may be better just to walk away. I don't know. Like, what's the
protocol
and the method to the madness to actually have them to not come and look at you and come and ask you to buy their stuff?
Maybe I think not being nice. Yeah, exactly.
Just
like, leave me alone. I think meanness has its places. This is one of them. Can be nice always.
Walking around and like you see one come, you put your smile down.
I'm gonna carry a sign around next time. A sign printed.
Oh my God! Like those commercials where they be having the smiley face.
All right, that's all we needed. I needed to get that out.
Yeah. That's okay.
Yeah.
No, thank you. No, thank you.
No, thank you.
You can take a nice picture in the yard.
No, thank
No,
you.
thank you. No, thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. No. No. No, thank you. No.
No,
No,
thank
thank you. No, thank you.
you. No, thank you.
No, thank you. No, thank you. Thank you.